for merienda today. Let's have some choking.
Ate, hiya ka pa. Ate, halaman mo.
Mainit sa labas. Kaya, halo-halo tayo ulit dito sa Chowking. Wala daw silang ice cream. Kaya dalawang slice na lang ng leche flan. PLDT namin guys, wala na namang internet. Baka na heat stroke na rin yung PLDT. Chili sauce ng Chowking. Ito yung tapos humingal na extra. Nung humingi ng extra, ganun lang ulit. It's so small. I have tasted different kinds of halo-halo. Some are like this, yung the same fresh ice. Pero those are better than this. Sa tindahan ni Aling Marites, nating 40 mas masarap pa kesa dito. We're done. Let's go back home. Bye guys.